Namaste all dear students. Where I'm explaining answer for number 3 of exercise 11.3 of topic algebraic expression. So this division is connected with the laws of indices, so that you have to be clear before doing of it. So for example, I will put here first so that you will be clear when we do these two numbers. So very first is when two terms are having same base and if they are getting divided. So very first this rule is these will get subtracted, powers will get subtracted. First rule is this, and second rule is when two terms are getting multiplied with the same base, so their powers will get added. And of the negative rule, for the negative power rule, suppose there is x power minus m and below there is x power minus n. So these negative powers you can turn it into positive first. And how you do? You will change its position between numerator and denominator. If you see negative power in numerator, you change it into the positive by turning it into the denominator. And if you see negative power in denominator or down, you turn it into positive by bringing into the numerator. So this we do like this, you see. So here this x power minus m you see in numerator, is it? So let's bring it down, you turn it into positive, is it? And then next this below x power minus nu which you see that is in denominator or down, you see, is it? So bring this into the numerator or above, you turn it into the positive, this one. And now the another rule is zero, power zero rule, is it? So for any base, if its power is zero, its value becomes 1. We can prove it, is it? So I'm not showing this, just please keep it in mind that if any base is there and its power is 0, its value is 1. But it has some limitation also. We in grade 7 we are doing for grade 7, so it's not needed to talk about that. So you'll be learning that thing later. So this now this simply you need to get it is if any base is there and its power is 0, its value is 1. So with these four key rules, so you can do this two numbers, so this way. So I erase this first. Okay, so the first one, number 8. So you have to divide this 3x square y power 4 and z power 5 plus 6x cube y square z power 3 divided by, so sign of division I write here like this, by 3x square y and z square. And now what I do here is we separate the base. So why we can see a by 2 plus b by 2 if you have, so you can take 2 as a LCM and above you write as it is a plus b. So it's break down, so if we do have here a plus b whole divided by 2, you can write this and break into a by 2 plus b by 2. So same thing we do here. So what is done here, these two terms, these two terms you see, so these we get separately divided by the denominator, which is single term. So we get this as 3x square y power 4 z power 5, and we get divided this by 3x square y and the z power 2 and plus 6x cube y square z cube. This we get divided by 3x square y and z square. So we did what? We separate the base, and now go for division. So here 3 divided by 3, that gets 1, or these get cancelled. And same like x square and x square, they also will get cancelled. And now the remaining of the y and z. So you can consider here y power 1, no power, it means power 1. and now we get here is getting divided, and rule is what? If getting divided, then you have to subtract. So here you see higher power above in the numerator, so you bring up for subtracting. So y power 4 minus 1 you get. And same like for z also, you see higher power above, so bring above for subtracting. So z power 5 minus 2 you get. Now you do for the second term here. So by 3, the 6 you get cut 2 times, is it? So after that, x power 3 by x power 2 is getting divided, is it? So you get your power subtracted. And same you do for y. So below here y only, that is y power 1. So as it is getting divided, you have to subtract y power 2 minus 1. And same like for z, they are getting divided, so you get their power subtracted. So this way you get their y power 3, z power 3, isn't it? Plus 2, x power 1, no need to write, y power 1, no need to write, and z power 1, no need to write. So this is the answer for this first number. Now I go with the number B. So I will do this first. Okay, number B now. So here you see 12a power 7, b power minus 4, c power 4 minus 18a square b square and c cube, is it? So it's getting divided by 6a square b c power minus 2. So what we do first is we separate the base, is it? So 12a power 7, b power minus 4, c power 4, is it? So this will get divided by 6a square b and c power minus 2. This minus, and then minus there, 18a square b square c cube. So this will get divided by 6a square b c power minus 2. Okay. And now we can get divided here by 6, 12 cards 2 times. And for a, as they are getting divided, their power will get subtracted. And about b, so here you see b power negative minus negative 4. So let's change this place to turn it into positive. So here b already below, you see this b, is it? So this b I've covered the same. And then next, which you see b power minus 4 above in numerator, bring it down and make it positive. And for c, you see here the c power minus 2 below, so let's send it above. And already you see here c power 4 above in numerator, so you need to copy as it's same. And that c power minus 2 from denominator, let's take into numerator and turn positive. Now there is negative power for c here, is it? So this we need to turn it into positive. And beside of that, by 6 you can cancel 18 for 3 times, and the a square you can get cancelled, is it? Same as same 3. And now of b, you get their power subtracted, so you can consider this as b power 1. So as they are getting divided, you have to subtract. And c power 3 below is c power minus 2, is it? So this bring it above, is it? And nothing is down in the denominator, is it? So it will give you now 2a power 5, c power 4 plus 2, and there below you see b power, here you see b power 1. So as they are getting multiplied, their power we have to add. And here 3, b power 2 minus 1, 1, no need to keep 1. And here c power 3 and c power 2 getting multiplied, so power will get added. So this way we get the result 2a power 5 c power 6 divided by b power 5 and minus 3b and c power 5. So this is the result for this number b. So of this number 3, for dividing binomial by monomial with the help of the rules of indices, we came to learn. So for learning next thing, our next number. We'll be catching in next video.